thunderstorm warning for Union County, Indiana, northeastern Franklin County in southeastern Indiana, west central Montgomery County, Preble County, northwestern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Liberty, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eaton, Liberty, Camden, Lewisburg, West Alexandria, Gladys, West College Corner, Salem, New Lebanon, Farmersville, College Corner, Lake Lockingren, west of Florence, New Hope, Muttonville, Kitchell, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 127, Wheatville, Dunlapsville, and Fairhaven. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 9 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the